Hi everyone, I just want to go over what we're doing this week. We are starting a unit on natural disasters, so we are going to look at the inside of the earth, layers of the earth, plate tectonics, all that stuff. So this week is when we start using Edgenuity. And here's the thing, guys, you don't just want to log on to Edgenuity and start doing lessons. In my class, I have guided notes to go along with that. So first of all, I have a video here about writing on PDFs. Those are your notes. Completing those notes for Edgenuity, and then getting around Edgenuity if you haven't used it before. So please at least look at those before you start working. After that, there are some lessons about inside the earth. Now, when you guys get to Edgenuity, so I have the link for Edgenuity and the name of the lesson you need to complete here. And then here I have the actual assignment. You guys are going to need to download the PDF to your computer, and you're going to write directly on your notes. You can use, I think it's the Kami extension, or you can just use the annotate PDF option you have. And up here is where it explains how to do that. All right, so you guys are going to do the lesson over Earth's interior, the lesson over continental drift, and then the lesson over plate tectonics, and then just an end of the question week. So please let me know if you guys have any questions. Get a little bit done every day so you don't have a lot to do by the end of the week. And please let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks.